Morning, day or night to my 12 subscribers, and welcome to anyone new. I'm here with my friend, Mackenzie. Sorry, I look like shit. This is me without makeup and still wet hair and wind blowing everywhere. My damn ass hair! Where the fuck are we? It seems that they just kind of store random things here now. They're saying that it's abandoned. It's still open to the public, but no one comes here because they don't keep it up or anything.
They just like up and left it. Oh, that's like another lake. This like any of them.
It looks like a swamp.
Or a swamp.
See guys, we are surrounded by refineries. Just walking down this path. It's so nice out today. Hi. The trees are making creaking noises. So, we are at Poggy Trail. Yeah, we're at Poggy Trail here, and there's a kettle stuck in a tree. A kettle? What the fuck? So we are going to explore Poggy Trail for a bit. Looks the same as all the others. Oh. Yeah, that looks... I'm gonna slip and die on the snow.
It's probably dangerous.
We tried.
In the summer too.
We tried. We're just gonna keep moving forward on the trail we were just on. Mackenzie and I have decided we are going to come back here in the summer so we can explore everything more. So there's cement blocks over there. How the fuck are we gonna get there? Made it. Part of an abandoned car. It looks like an entryway to the refineries. Guys, let me tell you, it does not smell great out here. It smells like shit. Hi guys. Never seen so many Timmy cups in one place, man. There's water beetles in these puddles. Just living life, having a good time.
There's the train.
Oh yeah, that train is all the way over there. Yes, the water fountain, I'm so thirsty. Oh shit.